Steve Jocks here with xpwebdesigners.com. Today I want to talk a little bit about Google and Google Feedburner. So, to get started, I wanted to talk a little bit about three different aspects or features that I like about Google Feedburner. And that is that if we jump down to the headline animator stats, you can see that I just started a new blog and it's starting to take off because I'm publishing content and I'm getting more and more visitors and clicks per day. And as you look, I have about 20 views and I have 8 clicks. And this is because of my headline animator. The headline animator, what it does, it rotates through titles of your blog. So for instance, if I want people to find out about my blog and I want them to go from my home page to my blog, I will put this animator on my home page or other subpages in my website. That way they go from point A to point B, and point B will be my blog. And this animator, what it does, it just highlights some key titles of your blog or what you're writing about or what article or video you're posting in your blog. It's a great little tool to have, and you can easily integrate it into your website by just copy and pasting some code into a text editor. Very basic, very simple. Next, I want to talk a little bit about, hold on, let me get there real quick, the browser friendly. So you want to click browser friendly and you're going to have a couple buttons that show up. These buttons are crucial to getting visitors to subscribe to your feed or subscribe to the content that you posted on your blog, or if you put a new video on your blog. That way they can save the content and access it later. Very helpful, very useful. It's a great little tool. I believe all you have to do is copy and paste some HTML or JavaScript into your website or blog, so to speak. Next, I'm going to talk about FeedFlare. And FeedFlare, is something that I really enjoy. All you have to do is, well, I'll give you an example. For instance, say you have a Dig account, or your users or visitors have a Dig account, or they have a Facebook account, or they stumble upon it and they have that account. What you can do is simply copy and paste, I believe it's PHP or JavaScript, into your behind the scenes text editor for your web page, and what happens is on each post you'll have a link so they can save it or share it with others, or they can come back to it some other time. And the important part of some of these tools is that you're creating backlinks to your website and to your blog. The reason why this is so important, and not a lot of webmasters get this point, is you want to create links back to your website. That is the overall goal, is creating links back to your website so people can access the information or people can find the information. And when you add an element of social networks into the picture, it broadens your reach as far as getting more visitors to your website or more visitors back to your blog, which is ultimately why we're in business in the first place, is we get visitors to our blog or our website, and then that's when the sales funnel kind of starts, where we start funneling our visitors and we start converting our visitors into buyers. So, great tool. I suggest you get a Feedburner account if you don't already have it, and get started today. It's very basic, very simple, easy to integrate, and easy to get started. For any more tips or tricks, go to our blog at xpwebdesigners.com/blog. And until next time, have a great day.